Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to vacuum your spa with the Hot Spring Spa Vac. Before we get started, let's go over the parts you will need. Parts you will need: Hot Spring Spa Vac item number 71530-1. Step 1. Connect the handle to the spa vac. Step 2. Place your thumb over the hole at the end of the pole and place the spa vac in the water. Step 3. Release your thumb from the hole and vacuum the debris. Step 4. Pull the vacuum out of the water to drain the canister and repeat steps 1 through 3 as needed. Step 5. To clean the filter, simply remove the filter and spray it with a garden hose. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.